Hello everyone, let's introduce MKE TGL-20M high-speed refrigerated centrifuge to you. This machine adopts high-efficiency environmental protection refrigeration system. No environmental pollution. High-precision temperature control. AC frequency conversion motor direct drive. High precision and low noise. Long service life. Firstly, turn on the power cord at the backside. Press the left red switch. The screen lights up. The device enters the boot state. The colorful big screen shows the parameter adjustment here. Press the setup button. Parameters are displayed in blue to enter the adjustable state. At the top is the rotational speed, which is increased by the up arrow and decreased by the down arrow. Next is the centrifugal force. The centrifugal force is also adjusted by these two buttons. At the bottom is the centrifugal time. On the left are the minutes. On the right are the seconds. On the left side we have the up and down speeds, also adjusted by the up arrow to increase and the down arrow to decrease. It has 10 speeds gear level. The smaller the number, the faster the speed. Next, let's take a look at the inside of the centrifuge. The door cover pops up when you press the open button. The door cover is blue and the body cavity is black. Double layer seal design. Good sealing. The machine adopts silent technology. Low noise patent certificate recognized. The noise level during operation is less than 58 decibels.